Welcome back. Now that our shop policies have been edited, you should now be inside of the settings area. And when you go to that settings area, once again, you should be on the info and appearance area. And we're going to do now, since we've edited the policies on this tab and we worked with the shop name in this tab, we're now going to work with the rest of our info and appearance. Now, one of the things we can do is we can add in a banner for the receipt that our customers are going to be receiving. And to do that, we can create a banner that's going to be 760 pixels by 100 pixels, and we can place it here in this area. Now, once again, if you don't have anything that has been created, you can create one in Canva. And we're going to use our existing design. And what we're going to do is we're just going to resize this. And we're going to write in the dimensions of the banner as we want it. Once again, that's going to be 760 by 100. We're going to click copy and resize. So this is how our banner is going to look if we're going to use our existing design. And we want to keep it, all we'll need to do is to go to this download tab and we can click download for the image. Once we've done that, we can head back to Etsy. And what we can do is we can go to our order receipt banner and we can upload the banner that we just created. Now, in order to keep our changes, we're going to click Save Changes. And we'll then see our banner in place. Now, if you are logged into your social media accounts, you can connect them through your Etsy account. And basically, you can start with your Facebook account. You can click the Connect with Facebook button. Etsy will ask you if it can connect. You'll then give Etsy permission. And then your Etsy account will then be linked to your Facebook account. And just so that you'll note, you will be linked to a specific page on your Facebook account. You can also connect with your Twitter account. Again, assuming you are already logged in, you can click Authorize App, and you'll then be connected to your Twitter account using your Etsy account. Now, you have three other areas of customization. You can make a shop announcement that will be visible to your visitors and your buyers about your store or about items that you have for sale. You can also write a message to your buyers that they are going to see on their receipt pages and in the email that they're going to get from you when they make a purchase. You can and you should write a message to those individuals that are purchasing from you digitally. This may include any instructions that they'll need in order to access fully everything that you've given them inside of your digital download. And once you have your info and appearance changes in, you can then click Save Changes. And you have now updated your info and appearance in your store. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.